guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here today and we're gonna slay. See, here today I'm gonna slay, and today the lucky baby is gonna be the 777 from, which is this Color Skin Pro from Pimby or Makeup By Yolondo. So if you want to see what I can come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so she looks like so. Does not have a mirror. Oh yeah, it does. So she looks like so. I know at first I wasn't gonna get this palette because I'm like, ooh, that is a lot of greens, but yeah, I think I'm gonna play with these shades like right here. So let's see. Is there names? So there's no names, so I'm just gonna go into this shade. No names. I don't like that. Let's just stamp this. I don't really like this palette in the sense, like not her formula or anything like that, because her formula are really good. It's just how big the palettes are, because then I'm like trying to hold it and trying to do, you know. So I'm gonna use a Y210 from her Y210, from the Y10 brush set. You know what? I don't like this. I don't like this. So I'm just gonna, just making my eyes water. This is pretty. I love this shade. And I'm just stamping the edges so I can kind of get. I know this just look like a big old block, but it's fine. So now I am gonna go, I need a little bit of a lighter shade. Let's see. This is a M441 from Morphe, and I think I'm gonna go maybe in this shade right here. It's a little bit lighter. I'm gonna put on this palette because this palette is heavy. It is quite heavy. And then we're gonna go into the shade. And I'm just gonna stamp it like right here. And then I'm gonna go into that shade that's right above it. I hate this shade right here. This one. And I'm just gonna use that. God, come through and everything. To just buff it up. I'm using the same brush. I just changed it to the other side. I'm gonna do like a little, like a dusting motion just to, you know, make this seamless. Okay. Now I need another brush, and I'm gonna go. I know. I'm gonna go into this bright. Should I do it? Maybe not. I'm gonna go into this shade, and I think I'm gonna use this pink, but later. But before I do that, I need a little bit of my glitter glue. And then let's go in with this C10. Actually, before I do that, just gonna go into this shade. Because I feel like when I put like a base, I'm not gonna keep this shade, although this shade is kind of pretty here. Oh, I don't know, maybe I'll just do shimmer. Okay, so I'm gonna put that down and then go in with my glitter glue. And then I had a white sand right here, and I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna go into this shade first, I think. Actually no, I'm gonna go into this shade. Ooh, this is pretty. See, I don't know if I want to put a pink. I don't know if I want to mess with it, guys, because I feel like this came out really pretty. And then I can just go in back with that lime green kind of shade. Oh, what is that dark blush? It's right here. Go back in with this shade and just. And then go back to that really dark shade. Oh my god, I think I love this look as is. Just making sure there's no harsh edges. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it like this. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and be right back. Hi guys, so yeah, so we're back. I know this look is insane, but today is not the look. All right, this moment is not the focus of the look, but we're gonna, you know, talk a little bit about the foundation that we're gonna use today, which is Teint Idole from Lancôme. Are they in here? Oh yeah, I'm gonna use my Erborian. I love this primer and I know it works real. Oops. I know it works really good, so let's give her a whirl. And I already moisturized my face because, you know, I mean, you can still see the mark right here. I drop a curling iron, but that's normal for me. It is normal for me, Let me grab a brush. I like applying my foundation with a brush. We're gonna go in with an E44 from Morphe, and we're just gonna pop. I'm trying to find a concealer. Ooh. Let's go in with one size. I love this concealer. Dry, and if you have dry on the eye, it might not be the concealer for you, but I like it. Don't leave it for too long though, because whoo, you have a mess to blend. You will have a mess to blend. So I'm gonna. My nose itchy. I don't know why I'm singing this. Don't know why. I'm gonna try to blend this like real quick. I may stop and do my concealer because I don't want that concealer to dry. But let's see how fast we can blend. This is an E34 from Morphe. Man, I have the biggest pimple like right here. It's like so big and painful. And let's jump into blending the concealer, and then this is an E20 from Morphe. This concealer is amazing, but guys, it dries down really fast. And I can see if you have like dry under eye, this could become like a real problem. But something you can try, you can maybe do your eye, like an eye cream, you know, to moisturize it, but it dries up quick. Quick. And then I'm just, you know, blending the edges into my contour. Okay, I love this. So pretty. Like my niece says, wow, she's so cute. So cute, but they're cute when they're little. and then they become teenagers. I wonder why he made it so drying, or so matte. Again, this is Patrick's Starline. It could be his skin type. I mean, obviously he's gonna make stuff that's gonna work for him, and you know, if it happens to work for you, then you know, great, but ultimately he's gonna make it work for him. So I guess maybe, or if he has super oily skin, then this would be amazing. Just, you know, putting everywhere I put the concealer, I'm putting my Laura Mercier powder. And let's go to the 5 head. Yep, and let us set the face. Let us set the face. And this is my powder from Prime Beauty. You know what? There's a few like solid powder that I use, you know, from Sephora, and the other one from Charlotte Tilbury. For the most part, I prefer those powders, but I just feel like they're just so messy. Like, look at this. I'm wearing black, which is like worse because you can see everything on there, but at least I can just dust it off. When I'm wearing white or something light, it just stains it. So it's like pick your butt. See, I can just do this, and you're good, and you're good, and you're good. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more of my under eye, but for the most part, the under eye is already done. Okay, that's it. That's it. Oh, and I just got a new sparkling water from Waterloo. It's blackberry lemonade. It's actually really good. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with sparkling water. So this is from Born This Way. This is actually not a bronzer. It's actually a foundation. Not a foundation. Yeah, I think it's a cream to powder foundation. It's a multi-use complexion powder. Sorry, but it's just a face powder. But your girl just get the darker shade, and she used that to bronze, you know. But this is like making or using products for more than one thing. Like, there's no rule that say, oh well, you just have to buy a powder for powder's sake. No. You can use your powder for a bronzer if it's dark enough. You can use lipstick for blush. You can just do whatever. Like, there's no rule. Ain't no rule that say if you have a powder and it's dark, you can't use it for, like, for example, like my foundation sticks. I hate them as foundation sticks, but I love them as contour sticks. So you just do what you gotta do. And then this is actually from Alleyoop, and I'm just gonna concentrate that a little bit right here. Okay, so I'm back here. I know I had a, you know, minor call from the hubs, and you know, husband call, you go running. So I'm just using the Juvia's Place a lip liner. This is nude from Pimby. Let me see. Oh, you know what? Let me do this gloss. I haven't worn this gloss in a minute. This is actually from Anti-Pat, and this shade is what? It's Flesh Asteria Lost Gloss Lip Gloss. That's a long name, but yeah, it's just like a nude gloss kind of. Love it. I want a little bit more shine. This is from Lawless. She's like shine, high shine. Let's dust up this powder. This is actually from Shein and it's good vibes. It looks like so. It's just like a, I feel like this is fine because I've already gone so light. I don't want to also heavy with my bronzer. I don't want to go like too crazy with the blush. And then let's jump in with some highlighter. Let's just use Tribe Volume 3 from Juvia's Place. The little spill. So yeah, so that's it for this video. You already know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family. And you know what? I'll see you on this next video for another slay. Bye guys.
Cross my heart, I